Ayan, nandito na tayo. So, hello guys! It's Mia Caloocan and welcome back to my channel. Diba? Ay, pero pala ako nito. Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, so hello guys. So, for today's video, bibisitahin natin yung building and titignan natin yung i-confirm natin, magre-report tayo, tapos ko-confirm natin yung ating structural. Kasi meron tayong bagong billing. So, samahan nyo ako para ma-inspection natin yung building and then ma-verify natin, ma-confirm yung balance update. Kasi progressive billing po ang ginagawa natin dito. So, dahil progressive billing, lahat ng mga natapos na completed dito sa building, yun pong i-bill sa owner. So, that's actually how it works regarding progressive billing. Okay? So, let's go! Yan. So, nandito tayo sa ground floor. Ito po yung ground floor. Dito yung ating basement, which is ngayon at medyo natatabunan pa siya ng mga debris galing sa itaas. So, samahan nyo ako, tapos titignan natin yung revision sa planning. Okay? Kasi yun po yung work natin. Let's go! So sila kuya ang nasa ang in charge dun sa fire sprinkler. Tama po ba? So, hello! Mag-hello kayo, guys. Ayan. Okay, so, nilalagyan na nila ito. Halika na dito. Yan, nilalagyan to ng sprinkler system. Ngayon, eto, kakainin to ng fire extinguisher. So, yun ang magiging CR na bago. Tara, akyat tayo. Okay? Let's go. Guray! O, yan. So, that is the fire. Nag-i-installation po tayo ng fire system. Okay, so dito po yung, this is second floor, and then ito po ang CR. So dito po ang CR. Pero ngayon, ito kasi, dapat CR po ito. Tingnan nyo. Kaso, kailangan, sa building code, kailangan po kasi talaga ng meron tayong fire exit. So, ito, kakainin po ito ng hagdanan ng fire exit. Ililipat po natin ang CR dito. So, dito po ang CR. Okay? Second floor pa lang po ito. Ayan pa ating mga gwapong kuya. Hello, mag-hi po kayo mga gwapong kuya. Si Kuya Nathan at saka Nathan and Patrick. So guys, Nathan and Patrick, i-add nyo sila sa Facebook Messenger and mag-hi kayo kay Nathan. May asawa na? Wala pa, binata pa si Nathan. Si Kuya Patrick, may asawa na? Wala silang asawa. Talaga ba? Inom tayo. Tara na nga. Okay, so dito. Aray ko! Ba't yung ganon? Hoy ha! Edit mo to. Naka-vlog tayo. O, eto po ang elevator shaft. Diretso yan sa... Okay. Huy! Hanggang ground. O, hanggang taas. Halika na dito, de. Mamaya kunin natin yung number ni Nathan. Kasi inom tayo ni Nathan. Nathan, umiinom ka ba? Ha? Ko. Mia Kaloka. Okay, so let's go. Oo. So, eto na guys. Hello guys, nandito naman si Kuya. Si Kuya Charlie. Kuya Charlie. Charot. So, ito third floor to. Ngayon, gaya ng sinabi ko, yung first floor, second floor, rentals, for rent po lahat yan. Pwede nyo i-occupy yung buong space na to. So, eto, wala tayong papalitan. Third floor. Halika. Lahat po ng space na ito ay third floor. Pwede nyo pong i-occupy. If you are in office, you have the amenity of a terrace. May terrace kayo. Dito, ayan, meron kayong terrace din. Dito na ang katuloy ng fire exit, which is, eto na. So, yan ang fire exit. Tapos, pagbaba mo sa fire exit, nasa second floor ka na. And, dito po, dalawa ang bathroom natin. Bathroom, may male-female tayo na bathroom. Okay? And ito open. Kita mo open na siya because this is the utility for third floor. Wala naman na siguro maakyat dito, third floor na to. Unlike sa baba na closed siya. So, that is utility. Which is tama lang kasi pababa ng utility sa underground basement is nandun yung main water pump natin. So, paakyat itong water pump na to para i-service lahat ng floors until the 5th floor hanggang sa mezzanine, which is 6th and 7th floor. Okay? Let's go. And of course, meron pa rin tayong elevator. O, halika na. Walang harang. So, let's go up. Good afternoon. Okay, so dito medyo matrabaho tayo. So, pakita natin ng mga gwapo natin mga kuya. Say hello. This is the rental floor. 4th floor. So, 4th floor is rental floors. 3 unit natin. Hello. Ayan. Pasok kayo. This floor is divided into 3 residential unit. Ito po ang first unit. Lahat ito sa'yo. May terrace. Hindi. May terrace sila lahat dito. So, dito access, meron siyang room. May bathroom. Bathroom, kitchen. Tingnan mo. Pasok ka. Yung bathroom. Kitchen. So, second unit, bedroom, you have 1 bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Medyo smaller siya. So, nagta-tiles na dyan. Itong mga bathroom, iganyan mo. I-take picture. Tapos ito. Okay, third unit natin. Okay, you have kitchen, bathroom, kitchen and bathroom, and you have your studio type room, diba? So, 3 yan. 1, 2, 3. Divided by 3. And then, you have your elevator lobby. Elevator lobby. Okay? So, let's go. This is 4th floor rentals. So, akit na po ulit tayo. Okay? Let's go. 5th floor. 5th floor is our multi-purpose hall. And open space or air condition, pwede. So, dito tayo. We have our view deck. View deck of the entire city. Tingnan mo yan. That's the deck. Tapos, dun ulit. Dun ulit. And then, the Robinsons. View of the east side. Oh, pero nakita yung facility, di ba? O, open na. And then, through male, female. Yan. So, multi-purpose hall. Pwede kayo dito magpa-birthday, event, kainan, mga ganyang anniversary, convention, lecture, anything, review center, kahit ano po. So, let's go. Thank you so much. Hello guys and welcome sa mezzanine. Okay, dito ang mezzanine. Ito pang bahay namin. Dito pang magiging residential. So, may slab na siya. Okay. Ang taray. Hello po mga kuya. So, this is our floor. And, that is the master's bedroom. Pag i-ano mo siya, pag ganito na dito. Yan, master's bedroom. Oo. Dito lahat. This is the kitchen. Click. And spa area. And sala. Living room. Okay, so let's go. Halika sa taas. Let's go. And now, this is 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom po tayo dito. 3-bedroom actually. 3 bedrooms. I have this divided into an extra room. So may room sila mother sa baba, which is master's bedroom. And dito sa part na to, I had an extra room built just in case may bisita, may guest tayo, or maid's room, ganyan. So, this is my bedroom. Char. Yan, dito na tayo. Ganda ng bedroom ko. Diba? That part. So, ito, hallway. Hallway ito. Pero wag na tayo doon park kasi hindi siya safe muna. Lalagyan ng railings yan eh. Ayan. So, this is the end of the mezzanine. And floors down, we are now at the 7th floor. So, thank you so much, everybody. Bye!